The review kicks off with candid first impressions. The host calls the 488 Pista Spider one of the most desirable and beautiful Ferraris of the last decade. This convertible version of the track-focused Pista marries raw performance with open-air driving, setting high expectations. The host hints, "This is not what I expected," signaling that while the car dazzles in many ways, there are surprises ahead. Heritage and engineering upgrades. The background section dives into the lineage of the Pista line. Introduced in March 2018 at the Geneva Motor Show, the Pista, Italian for track, is the hardcore variant of the 488 family. The Spider debuted soon after at Pebble Beach. Under the gloss, it's the most powerful V8 Ferrari ever fitted to a road car. A 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 delivering 720 PS, about 710 horsepower, at 8,000 RPM and 770 Nm, 568 lb-ft of torque at 3,000 RPM. The engine borrows components from Ferrari's challenge race cars: stronger pistons, titanium rods, larger intercoolers, and Inconel exhaust manifolds. Performance and dynamics. The reviewer puts the Spider to the test. Acceleration is breathtaking: 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just 2.85 seconds, and a top speed north of 340 km per hour, 211 miles per hour. But it's more than straight-line speed. The car's chassis, derived from racing variants, feels razor-sharp. Aerodynamic tweaks, including front air ducts recirculating through the hood and relocated intakes, add around 20% more downforce compared to the standard 488 Spider. Handling on winding mountain roads and test tracks impressed the host. Ferrari's latest E-Diff3 electronic differential, SCM racing magnetorheological suspension, and F-Track traction control system allow a finely balanced mix of agility and grip. The reviewer notes that the Pista Spider feels more alive and communicative than its coupe sibling, especially with the roof off, enhancing the sensory feedback. Sound and sensory experience. One of the most striking revelations. Despite being a turbocharged model, the Pista Spider's exhaust emits a visceral, natural roar akin to Ferrari's famed non-turbo V8s. The revs come alive, in all gears and at all engine speeds, louder and with more character than the standard 488 Spider. The host captures onboard audio to highlight the bark at 5000 to 6000 RPM and the thunderous crackle on downshifts. With the roof retracted, the auditory thrill becomes immersive, an orchestral performance more than mechanical noise. Roof, weight, and practicality. The review emphasizes the sophisticated hardtop mechanism. It opens or closes in 14 seconds, operable up to 40 km per hour, ideal for quick drop-top moments. Despite this, structural reinforcements add about 100 kilograms compared to the coupe, placing the curb weight around 1,525 kilograms. However, Ferrari counters this weight gain by offering optional carbon fiber wheels, 20% lighter, plus extensive carbon fiber body panels and exhaust system to shed roughly 18 kilograms. Inside, the Pista Spider remains driver-centric with carbon fiber sport seats and Alcantara trim to reduce inside mass. While the interior is overtly race-focused, comfort is not sacrificed. Heated seats, climate control, and a premium audio setup ensure usability for road trips. Design and aesthetics. The reviewer pays special attention to styling. Designed by Flavio Monzoni's team, who won a Red Dot Design Award for the 488 Pista, the car features aggressive front splitters, race-derived side skirts, sculpted rear, dual air intakes integrated into the spoiler, and a floating L-shaped tail light cluster. In Spider form, the lines remain muscular and sleek, providing visual unity whether the roof is up or down. The reviewer praises the exterior as both beautiful and purposeful, highlighting its blend of elegance and aggression. Pros and cons. Here's a breakdown of key takeaways. Pros. Incredible acceleration and top speed, rivaling flagship hypercars. Track-capable chassis with race-tuned components. Dramatic, turbo-fed, race car-like exhaust note. Stylish, award-winning design and dynamic convertible experience. Usable as a weekend road trip vehicle. Cons. Added weight, 100 kg, over the coupe. Optional carbon wheels recommended. Pricey, typically around €320,000 in Europe, plus extras. Minimal cargo/storage space due to mid-engine layout and T-top configuration. Less practical daily due to low ride height, firm suspension, and limited rear visibility. Reviewers' verdict. The concluding verdict addresses the earlier teased caveat. Yes, the Pista Spider is astonishing, but not flawless. The host acknowledges that, for pure track obsession, the coupe's lighter weight may be preferable. However, for those seeking a hybrid of track capability and open-air exhilaration, the Pista Spider is a rare unicorn. It delivers the pace of a race car with the soul of a Ferrari and the wind in your hair. The closing statement: it's not what I expected, it's better. If you want the ultimate convertible supercar, this is it. Final thoughts. This review paints an immersive picture of the Ferrari 488 Pista Spider, a stunning achievement in blending blistering performance, race-derived tech, head-turning style, and sensory delight, especially when driven with the top down. While it carries the concessions of weight and cost, few cars offer a comparable mix of moonlit track fury and open-air majesty. The Pista Spider truly embodies the duality of Ferrari's purpose, delivering raw power in its purest, most beautiful form.